Welcome back to me, you, and my Subaru. I am me, you're you, and here's the Subaru. All right, today I'm going to be going over a little product from Chemical Guys. It is their Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Found it at Walmart. It was like 10 bucks. I thought, why not give it a shot? So let's test it out. So this product is kind of used, it says you can use it between car washes, just to help protect your shine and things. If it's not that dirty, you don't need to take it in or whatever. For a whole car wash, you can just do some touch-up areas here. And also, it's good for winter months when it is so cold out, and if you're hand washing your car, you don't want to hand wash the car, it's freezing. You can spray this on real quick. You don't have to get out your hose or your pressure washer, and then just, spray it. Let's just watch it work. The nozzle's cut off. Give me a second, sorry. Sprays on. It says you can use it on glass, so let's just spray on the glass too. Let's get crazy. And it's already cutting through the dirt that's there. I don't know if you saw, this is dirt's from my little adventuring video that I did. And we'll get that side where that puddle was right there too. So you got your clean microfiber, and we're just gonna wipe it. One wipe, no swirling or polishing, buffing, and it cleaned it completely off. That's crazy. There's where it was. And right there, it's perfectly clean. Look at all the gook that came off just then. Wow. Now on the window, I'm guessing you will have to, and it says come behind with a clean microfiber and just buff off the excess if there's any. Man, it is taking it just right off. Look at it. It's clean now. Holy cow. And you can use it on trim pieces, glass, plastic. And you can see right here where I wiped it. I haven't even sprayed here. There's just some on the towel. It takes it right off. Dude, this stuff is awesome. And I found on Amazon where you can buy it in a much bigger, it's like a gallon. This is 16 ounces. And it was 10 bucks. I've washed my wife's entire Highlander with this stuff, and it was caked on salt and road gook from the snow, and it was very dirty. And I washed her entire car with it, and it's still, that was like 2 weeks ago, and it still looks clean. So let's try this mud spray here. This has been on the car for 3 days. You just spray it and it disappears. And it says if it's really tough stuff, you can spray this on there and let it sit. But I've not run into that yet. One wipe. Wow. The sun is weird here. I don't know. I hope this is coming through. Clean. This stuff is awesome. And look, even where it's got dried, caked on dirt right there. Wiping right off. Nice. Didn't even spray here, and it still wipes right off. This stuff is awesome. I'm gonna come back behind it with a clean one because this thing's getting very dirty. And just wipe it down, but man, this stuff is great. Hadn't even sprayed the fender. I haven't sprayed it. It wipes right off. I mean, for $10, you can get away with washing your car with this stuff quite a few times without having to go anywhere. That's pretty awesome. Wow. All right, cool. Thanks for tuning into this one. Once again, this was Chemical Guys. Swift Swipe Waterless Car Wash. It's hydrophobic technology. Synthetic gloss enhancers. I mean, can't beat that with a stick. So, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to post, like, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.